Hi guys and welcome to Explain Me How. In this video, I will show you how to sign up for a Netflix free trial. To start, open your internet browser in your PC. Once you are now here, head on over to netflix.com. Then over at the Get Started tab, input your email address. Then select Get Started. In here, select Next. In here, add a password. Then select Next once done. Then in here, choose a plan. Select Next once again. Then in here, select which part of the plan you want to choose. Just click on one that suits your lifestyle. However, if the plan is to get a free trial on Netflix, Netflix no longer offers free trials. However, you will have the freedom to change your plan or cancel online at any time if you decide Netflix isn't for you. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.